Introducing the WUBEN X1 Pro Flat. Compact, innovative, and built to redefine what a flashlight can be. Unleash 13,000 lumens of pure brilliance, lighting your path to the unknown. With X1 Pro, you control the light. Need coverage? Go flood. Need precision? Go spot. Designed for the demanding. One-touch lock keeps it secure, while dual replaceable batteries to keep you going. Precision airflow keeps performance steady, even at maximum output. Upgraded with a detachable active fan. Smart cooling when it matters most. Constant current drive delivers unwavering brightness, no matter the mode. Compact, balanced, and ready to go. And when your devices run low, it powers them too. Mount it. Ride on and explore beyond the ordinary, because light should move with you. The WUBEN X1 Pro, power built for exploration.